So here I have a sequence that I've rendered in Blender and it looks like this. I've exported it as a series of OpenEXR files, and when I import them into After Effects, they look like this. So as you can see, that's very different to the results I was getting in Blender. How do I fix the color management and the tone mapping? The first thing you'll need to do is to locate your Blender color management configuration. And on Windows, this is in Program Files, Blender Foundation, your Blender version, then the Blender version again, Data Files, Color Management. Now there is one caveat with this, is that if you try anything past Blender 5.0, you're going to get an error message when you import the config into After Effects. So 5.1 and 5.2 aren't working at this point in time. The latest version that does work is Blender 5.0, so go to Local Disk, Program Files, Blender Foundation, Blender 5, 5.0, Data Files, Color Management. Then I'm going to select that path and copy it to the clipboard. With that done, let's return to After Effects. So I've imported my OpenEXR sequence and I've created a comp. In the project panel, I'm going to go to the hamburger menu, go to Project Settings, Color, and I'm going to change the color engine from the default of Adobe Color Manage to OCIO Color Manage. Let's click OK. Then in the OCIO configuration, I'm going to open the drop-down and select Custom. Next, I need to point After Effects to the custom OCIO configuration, which is going to be our Blender configuration. So let's click Select. I'm going to paste that file path, select the config.ocio and open that. Once that is done, you need to make sure your working color space is set to linear rec 709. And then I'm going to set the display color space to match what I have in Blender, which is AGX. Let's open the drop-down. And I'm going to select sRGB/AGX and click OK. So you can see the tone mapping is now much better, but the color doesn't quite match what I had in Blender. That's going to be easy to fix. I'm going to select my sequence in the project panel. Let's right click and go to Interpret Footage, Main, switch to the Color tab, and I'm going to check Preserve RGB and click OK. And now you can see we have a perfect match for what was rendered in Blender. Just make sure that your viewer here is set to sRGB/AGX in the drop-down. And you'll also need to ensure that you have the correct export settings. So what I'm going to do is to add this to the render queue. Go to the output module, click to open it, and then switch to the color tab. I'm going to set my output color space to Legacy AGX base sRGB and click OK. With that done, let's render the file. And once the file is rendered, I'm just going to quickly check it. And if I open it, you'll see that the color and tone mapping match what I had in Blender exactly. So I hope you found this useful and thank you very much for watching.